All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Doing a little 7-1 additional help here. You know it's going to get tough, and it's definitely starting to get that way. It wants us to find the equation. That's going to be tough. Okay, and then describe which way the graph moved, and then what part of the equation indicates the move. I'm actually going to do B first, then C, then A, then D. Okay? And you want to know why? Because it's America and I can do whatever I want. Okay? So, I'm going to turn this horizontal chart into a T chart because that's the way I'm used to looking at it. We got -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now, I recognize 1, 4, 9, Carson. That's going to be important. Okay, I recognize those numbers. You need to look for 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Okay, let's just graph it. So, let's see. I got a 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. All right, so here's my vertex. I can see the symmetry. So -1, 0 is my vertex. Well, that helps. Because, well, I'll graph it first. -2, 1. And then I usually graph this like this. 0, 1. I look for my symmetry. -3, 4. And then that means it must be 1, 4. Is that true? Yes. It makes me feel good. -4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which means 2 will be 9. Certainly a parabola. Certainly involving x squared. But what from the formula makes this parabola move left 1? What? That's exactly right. That's that counterintuitive thing, where if it's inside the parentheses, it moves it the opposite direction that you would think. Why is that? Because what happens when you put in a -1 for x? You get a 0. And that's the lowest point. Okay? So, now let's check it. Like, look, what's 0 minus 1? What's -1 squared? +1. Okay? What's what's plus 1? What's -1 plus 1? 0 squared? That works. What's -4 plus 1? -3 squared? So it works. So that equation works. Here's the graph. In what way did the graph move? Left 1 unit. Okay? What part of the equation indicates the move? When you have x plus a squared, the parabola moves what, Carson? Left a units. Does that help?